Remember the 5th of November. Hello and welcome back to my halfling kitchen. My name is Craig, aka the Saxon Forager. We're well into spooky season with Halloween tomorrow and bonfire night just a week away. And one of my favourite campfire treats is a toffee apple. So let's get cooking. Push lolly sticks or wooden chopsticks into 8 apples. Put 300 grams of caster sugar into a large pan. Add 200 grams of golden syrup and 100 ml of water. Melt on a medium heat, stirring occasionally. Once the sugar has all melted and turned a caramel colour, stop stirring. Boil the sugar until it reaches 150 degrees or hard crack on a thermometer. If you don't have a thermometer, drop a little sugar into some water and it should set hard instantly. Take the pan off the heat and carefully dip your apples into the toffee. Place onto a piece of greaseproof paper until set hard. Don't waste any leftover toffee as it still tastes great. Pour the leftovers onto a piece of greaseproof paper and leave to set. Enjoy the fireworks, I'll catch you next time. Goodbye. Oh yeah.